Hello, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Bitcoin sure did because it really did nothing. So did most of the rest of the market. Been pretty bullish on this market for a little while now, building this constructive double bottom and cup with handle pattern. Still bullish, but it's starting to fade some. Over the weekend, really nothing constructive happened. Solana started to roll over, BNB started to roll over. In fact, it's on one of our hot coins today, but to the downside because that's the direction the market looks like it's leaning at the moment. We could get a big break, we could get a minor break, but at the moment it just does appear that the buyers have left the building. So we'll see. If they step back in, I think that would be great. I think that would be amazing. And you have to be ready for upward scenarios and downward scenarios, especially at a pivotal point. Okay, so we kind of failed a pivotal point up here in the 71, 72,000 range, but we kind of have one down here at the moment. You know, you can always try to go back up, and I always do try to look for those because you have to. I mean, this is what we're doing, so let's pay attention. Let's be professional here, okay? So, um, yeah, but that's really it. We're waiting for the market to bounce. So far, nothing really has happened. Solana gave it up. Ethereum's not really interesting at the moment. BNB, which is one of our hot coins of the day, so we're kind of doing a little bit of a hybrid thing here today. BNB pulling in today, low weekend volume, now high Monday volume with 11 hours left to go. So we'll see if this gets supported dramatically at the breakout point here, which really would be fine, as a matter of fact. That could be sellers trying to shake the, buyers trying to shake the market out instead of sellers trying to shake the market out. And we'll see where we end up. But BNB, one of the few that actually have moved lower. So it's interesting that it's moving when it was so strong all last week. Yeah, it's just unique. So we got to wait and kind of see how this is going to play itself out. So far, you're still waiting. There really hasn't been any major signals to really do anything with, and so we're still waiting right now. And unfortunately, that's not great when you have altcoins that need to bounce up for the market to be a lot healthier than it is right now. All right, so that's BTC and the market. Hot coin BNB here moving down, hitting the 631.50 level, the breakout test, which is fine. That doesn't take it out of its trend. At the same time, though, it doesn't look good for bulls, as we just stated. So I don't think this is a short candidate quite yet. I think it has to break the 631.50 for you to think about shorting this particular name, which basically just got an all-time highs the other day. So from that perspective, it definitely could be a bigger shortable candidate. But we have a really pretty good volume coming here in all-time highs, so I don't want to discount that and say that it's shortable with this as a swing failure. A swing failure is where you go above a key level and then come back in, which this definitely did. So if you swing failed it from up here, you're fine. Down here, it's too deep to put on a short trade at this time. All right, and the next hot coin of the day is Filecoin. So Filecoin here, and this is really indicative of quite a few coins and altcoins specifically in the market right now. Is we're in a bear flag. We tried to move up, we couldn't do it over the weekend, and now we're starting to just step lower. We're not even moving lower. It's just a step. But you do see this across the market. This one is one of the largest drops in the top 50, and so I thought I'd highlight that one. But you can see here a bunch of wicks over the weekend. Friday had a big high volume wick on the top side of it right there. So from that perspective, I really don't think that there's not a lot to do right now. If you're looking for shorts, I think your best bets are ICP and BNB. I think we have some time left. So let's take a look at those. You got ICP here with a larger head and shoulders pattern. With a target back down here at 555. We did take a look at this short back here in late April, and then discuss a good strategy. It was covering here, which I guess you didn't end up having to do, but you could try to reload this trade if this level does break. And this level here currently is 1072. And then Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is also a shorting candidate. This is also a head and shoulders pattern. This is a neckline. I'm gonna get rid of this line. It's no longer a neckline. This is your neckline, and your best stops would be up here, but they're going to be wide at this point at about 13%, probably half position size. If this is something you want to do, I think these two, ICP and Bitcoin Cash, are two of the best short candidates in this market right now. So, all right, guys, that's all I got for you in the best 5 minutes of your day here on Altcoin Buzz Trading. Wish I had some better news to report, but the market isn't rallying up. We are kind of slowly rolling over, which usually when that happens, you hope for chop so you can rebound, but if not, it'll roll over a little bit more quickly. So we'll see what this week brings. It'll be a pivotal week for the markets, and I'll be here to I'll be here to, I don't even know what I was trying to say, but I'll be here for you all week on Altcoin Buzz Trading. Have a good day. Bye-bye.